Let's talk about copyright and plagiarism and the difference between the two. Plagiarism is the act of using someone else's work without giving them credit. It's a theft of words and/or ideas. Whether intentional or unintentional, when you plagiarize, you are acting as if the work is your own and failing to credit your source. Plagiarism is an ethical violation. You won't get in legal trouble for plagiarism, but you could fail a paper, fail a class, be expelled from a university, or, as an adult, have a blot on your professional reputation. Copyright, on the other hand, is a legal concept. You can end up in court and be fined or even in prison for violating copyright laws. Copyright protects the owners of creative works such as books, plays, movies, songs, or artwork from having someone else use their work without their permission or, when appropriate, payment. Here are some examples. Let's say you buy a song from iTunes, then you make a copy for your friend so that he doesn't have to pay for it too. That's a violation of copyright. Or let's say you find a copyrighted photo on the web and you decide you want to add it to your own web page or blog. That's also a violation of copyright. Try putting yourself in the creator's shoes. Think about how you would feel if you worked really hard to write a story or a song or create an artwork and someone published it without your permission. Copyright is automatic today, and it lasts for a long time, but not forever. In general, works created before 1923 are no longer covered by copyright. They have entered what is called the public domain. You don't need permission to use them, but as a good citizen, you should still give credit, and you would be plagiarizing if you didn't. Copyright law sounds pretty restrictive. Let's say you need a photo of a computer. You aren't going to find that in the public domain. Computers are too new. But copyright also includes a provision called fair use that may allow you to use portions of a copyrighted work if you are using it for educational, not commercial purposes, if you are transforming it into something new and different, and/or if there is no loss of potential profit or recognition to the copyright holder. When you prepare a paper or presentation for class, you can usually use portions of copyrighted material with recognition under the provisions of fair use. But if you publish your work either in print or online on a website, blog, or really anywhere online, fair use is much more limited. It is always best instead to find and use only copyright-friendly material in published works. When you use copyrighted material, you might think you are covered by fair use, but the copyright holder might disagree with you, and you could even find yourself in legal trouble. Copyright-friendly works include older works in the public domain or works with what are called a Creative Commons license. Creative Commons is a license that the creator may choose to assign to his work as a refinement to the automatic copyright to let you know that you may use it without permission under certain circumstances. The creator decides what the conditions are. They always include attribution or giving credit. They also may choose to make the license only for non-commercial use, only if you don't change it, and/or only if you share your work with the same type of license. One great place to find Creative Commons licensed material is the Flickr.com website. When you search this site, you need to do an advanced search and check the Creative Commons filter box to limit your search to just Creative Commons licensed material. You can also limit Google image searches to Creative Commons licensed material. Ask at the library for help searching for Creative Commons material. And join the Commons yourself. Choose to license your own creations with Creative Commons licenses. This movie is licensed with a Creative Commons Attribution, Non-Commercial, Share-alike license. Please remember to be a good citizen. Don't plagiarize and don't infringe copyright. If you aren't sure whether you are, ask your teacher or your librarian for help. Thanks for watching.